How to create a cryptocurrency portfolio. Fasten your seatbelts, fellow adventurers, as we're about to embark on an interstellar journey through the galaxies of digital currencies. From the towering peaks of Bitcoin to the mystical lands of altcoins, and through the cosmic wormholes of NFTs, we'll navigate the nebulous world of blockchain technologies together. This isn't just any voyage, it's your very own odyssey into creating a universe of investments that could redefine your financial destiny. So grab your space helmets, charge up your laser focus, and get ready to mine some invaluable nuggets of wisdom as we traverse the enthralling cosmos of cryptocurrency portfolios to infinity and beyond. Cryptocurrency is often regarded as the future of finance, and creating a portfolio is an art that combines strategy with a bit of speculation. But before we dive into how to create a cryptocurrency portfolio, let's take a moment to understand what a portfolio is. A portfolio is essentially a collection of investments. In the context of cryptocurrency, it is a collection of various digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others that an individual owns. Research. The first step. First and foremost, let's talk about research. Knowledge is power, and in the case of cryptocurrency, it's also a safety net. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and understanding the market trends, project goals, and technology behind the cryptocurrencies can provide you with the insights needed to make informed decisions. Utilize websites like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and other forums to get data on market caps, historical performances, and recent news about cryptocurrencies. Once you're well versed with the trends and technology, it's time to set your investment goals. What is it that you're looking to achieve with your cryptocurrency investments? Is it short-term gains, long-term growth, or passive income through staking or lending? Your investment goals will play a crucial role in deciding the composition of your portfolio. For instance, if you're looking for stability, you might lean more toward established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Conversely, if you're willing to take more risks for potentially higher returns, newer altcoins might be worth considering. Diversification. Another significant aspect to consider is diversification. It's crucial to not put all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying your investments across various cryptocurrencies, you can reduce the risk associated with the volatile nature of the market. A well-diversified portfolio can have a mix of Bitcoin, altcoins, and tokens from various projects and industries. This is where understanding the technology behind each cryptocurrency comes into play. For instance, Ethereum's smart contract functionality offers different utilities compared to Bitcoin. Similarly, a coin like Chainlink, which is aimed at connecting smart contracts with real-world data, might serve a different purpose in your portfolio. In addition, one must pay attention to the weightage of each cryptocurrency in the portfolio. Generally, it is considered a wise practice to have a higher allocation to more stable and established cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and smaller allocations to riskier altcoins. The exact percentage allocation will depend on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Risk management. Now let's talk about risk management. It's essential to establish how much you're willing to risk. One of the methods for risk management is dollar cost average, or DCA. This strategy involves buying a fixed dollar amount of a particular cryptocurrency at regular intervals, regardless of its price. This can be particularly effective in mitigating the risk of market volatility. Once you've decided on your investments, it's time to pick a cryptocurrency wallet. This is where you'll store your cryptocurrencies. There are various types of wallets, like hardware wallets, software wallets, and exchange wallets. Each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. For instance, hardware wallets are considered the most secure, but are not as convenient as software wallets. Now that you have your wallet sorted, it's time to actually purchase the cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency exchanges are platforms that allow you to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. Some of the well-known exchanges are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. It's important to choose an exchange that supports the cryptocurrencies you want in your portfolio. Additionally, pay attention to the fees, security features, and the reputation of the exchange. Once your portfolio is up and running, monitoring and rebalancing become vital. The cryptocurrency market is not static, and neither should your portfolio be. Keep track of how your investments are performing and don't be afraid to make adjustments. Rebalancing involves readjusting the weightings of your portfolio by buying or selling assets periodically. This is crucial to maintaining the desired level of risk and return. Finally, let's talk about patience and emotional control. The cryptocurrency market is known for its wild price swings. While it's tempting to constantly tinker with your portfolio, sometimes the best course of action is to do nothing. It's important to avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Stick to your strategy, stay informed, and keep your emotions in check. Crypto collectibles. But wait, let's add some spice to this. Have you heard of crypto collectibles and gaming? These industries are like the cherry on top of the cryptocurrency cake. Crypto collectibles, often referred to as non-fungible tokens or NFTs, are unique digital assets verified using blockchain technology. From digital art and music to tweets and virtual real estate, NFTs are becoming increasingly popular. Including NFTs in your cryptocurrency portfolio can not only be an exciting addition, but also has the potential for significant returns. Just make sure to research well, because the NFT space is still very new and unpredictable. Here's another exciting angle: crypto gaming and virtual worlds. Games like Axie Infinity and Decentraland are pioneering the merge of cryptocurrency with gaming. In these virtual worlds, you can buy land, trade items, and even earn cryptocurrencies by playing. Adding gaming cryptos to your portfolio could be an interesting diversification. Not only do you get to be a part of the cutting-edge combination of gaming and blockchain, but you might also earn some money while having fun. Talk about leveling up in the financial world. Finally, let's talk about yield farming. And no, this has nothing to do with tractors or vegetables. Yield farming is a way to make more cryptocurrency with your existing assets. In simple terms, it's like putting your crypto to work. Imagine your bitcoins are little digital farmers sowing seeds and harvesting crops. You basically lend your coins for others to use, and in return, you earn rewards. But like everything else in the crypto realm, this comes with risks. Smart contracts, which are often used in yield farming, have sometimes been exploited by hackers. So put on your digital overalls cautiously. When it's all said and done, building a cryptocurrency portfolio can be akin to an exhilarating treasure hunt. It's important to have a map, your research, a sturdy ship, your wallet and exchange, and a capable crew, a diversified set of cryptocurrencies. There may be storms like market volatility, and perhaps even pirates or scammers. But with the right tools and knowledge, you might just find the treasure chest you seek. Social impact. Now let's veer into the realm of the social impact that cryptocurrencies can have. Did you know that blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies are being employed to solve some of the world's most pressing issues? From refugee assistance to reducing carbon emissions, cryptocurrencies are not just about making profits. There are tokens like Stellar or XLM that aim to bank the unbanked, or Cardano, ADA, which is working on identity solutions in developing countries. Including such cryptocurrencies with a cause in your portfolio isn't just a financial decision. It can also be a vote of confidence in a better future. It adds a sense of purpose and responsibility to your portfolio, which, let's be honest, can make your investment journey much more fulfilling. And for the space enthusiasts, behold the final frontier: cryptocurrencies in space. Yes, you heard that right. Projects like Space Chain aim to take blockchain literally out of this world. They're integrating space and blockchain technologies to build a new decentralized infrastructure. While this might sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, it is actually happening. Investing in space-based cryptocurrencies could be a long shot, but imagine the bragging rights if you're among the pioneers of the first wave of interstellar financial systems. Your portfolio could be one small step for you, one giant leap for cryptokind. To sum it up, creating a cryptocurrency portfolio involves thorough research, setting clear investment goals, diversifying, choosing the right wallet and exchange, and efficient monitoring and rebalancing. It's a dynamic process that requires time and effort. The volatile nature of the market means that there are no guarantees, but with due diligence and a well-thought-out strategy, you can build a cryptocurrency portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. As with any investment, never invest money that you cannot afford to lose, and always be prepared for the ups and downs that come with the territory. Happy investing!